All right. So basically, look at this guy. Why are you barking, bro? Basically, I have a Subaru WRX 04, baby, blah blah. It's a wagon. If you're looking to buy one or are thinking about it, don't do it. Just don't do it. What I have done on the Subi is mainly cosmetic, but we putting on the wheel today. Steering wheel. You feel me? These are not going on the car. Obviously, we got NRG. You feel me? You gotta get that ding. All right, we copped the hat. You feel me? Cause this is not cutting it today. So basically, rundown of today. Put the new wheel on. You feel me? Gotta get the ding. Cause that old one gotta go. It doesn't have to, but you know. All right. Long story short, we're back. I got all the stuff. Let's go and put on the wheel. We gotta unplug the battery. And then we're gonna go inside and do the rest. If you also have a Subaru no. If you also got a WRX, specifically 2004, if you're looking for a wagon, the STIs are different, but they're kind of similar. If it's just a regular WRX, no STI, or a wagon, you better fucking listen. Okay, so basically, obviously, you gotta take the other wheel off, right? So, you got, I don't know if you can see it, right here, right? It's a star, just like this. There's one on each side. Make sure you disconnect the battery. You loosen both of them. And then you pop the airbag off. Now, you pop this out, right? You obviously got to disconnect this. What you got to do is get a small little flathead and pop this open. Don't try to push it. You got to pop it up. Okay? If you push it, you can break it. Remember that. You pull the little tab up, you just take it right out. And then you got your whole airbag. Looks naked. Put that aside. Then you're gonna wanna take out this bad boy, right? These wires right here. Just gonna take that out. You're gonna wanna crack this bad boy loose. Get it almost to where it's like all the way at the end, but not really. Because if you start yanking on the wheel and it's not there and it comes out, it will definitely hit you. Remember, before you take off your wheel, make sure it's completely straight and your wheels are straight. Mine's a little crooked because I need an alignment. Don't worry about it. We move. If you decide to go quick release, you're gonna lose your cruise control. I'm gonna have to sacrifice my clock spring, which is what causes your blinkers when you're turning to go back up on their own. But yeah, you're gonna sacrifice that. Your blinkers, however, they should still work. In theory, they should still work. And obviously no more airbag and no more horn. It's not that big of a deal. Might just go buy an air horn and just use that. Honestly, the bolt right here that pops this bottom piece out. There should be two bolts, two little ones, one that goes up like this, and then on the other side same thing. That's how you get the top off. now we're at the painful part. I gotta cut this one and this one. Do not cut any other ones. Just those two. That's all you need to cut. If you do cut. I'll just shrivel up into a ball and go cry later. But here we go. It's okay. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. Just to be safe though, I'm not stupid. So if you guys want to be ultra safe, I recommend putting electrical tape here on this one and on this one, because the last thing you want is something connecting when it's not supposed to be connecting. I'll put the wheel on just real fast so I could have something else to hold while I'm torquing this down. Look at this, right? All right, so basically I tightened it, I took off the wheel, I put the base on. I just hand tighten it for now, and then I'm gonna actually tighten it. And then after you get all that done, it's pretty straightforward. Put the rest of your quick release on. We're about to have that ding up and running. It's dark now. Bad boy's on. It does what it needs to. Watch. Hold on. It does what it's supposed to. And then it ain't even ding. There we go. Okay. Does what it's supposed to. Now, we is going to Boot Barn in like 2 hours. Catch you guys in the car in like 5 minutes. All right. Who's ready for boot? I'm gonna get D. Watch this. What's up, fucker? EJ's here. EJ's here. EJ's here. EJ! 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 Clean your car, man. Clean your car, dog.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
He said he stole it from the Costco gas station.
Give me my leg!
It's for washing away. Plants, it's for washing away fuel spills. Then I looked up the chemical on the bottle. It said for cleaning up fuel spills. Oh, your car's gonna stink, bro.
see the homeboy Marcus. He's at work. Security guard. Yes, sir. Maracuchi.
Cool, bro. I don't know why they standing back there, bro. They better come meet me halfway. I'm at work.
The legendary ass.
Right now, don't mind it. Still need some wheels.
It's the next day. I forgot to film us at Tia Joy. By the way, if you're wondering what Tia Joy is, it's a Vegas thing. I got a surprise next video. Also, if you're wondering what this plate is, it's from Initial D. If you guys know, you know. If not, I recommend watching Initial D if you're into cars. Also, if you guys were wondering why Darian's rear set of wheels were different from his fronts, well, basically his wheel debeaded. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know if I should make any more. And if y'all hating on me, smooches.